Hey there, military enthusiasts! Today I've got something groundbreaking to share with you. The Turkish Air Force is about to receive its first operational Anka-3 stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle, or UCAV, from Turkish Aerospace Industries. Now, if you're familiar with the Anka series, you know these drones have been a game-changer. But the Anka-3 is set to take things to a whole new level. This delivery, first reported by the X-account Turkish Century on December 26, 2024, marks a significant milestone in Turkey's ambitions to develop indigenous unmanned aerial systems. Imagine a sophisticated drone, fully designed and produced within Turkey, ready to redefine modern warfare. So what makes the Anka-3 so special? For starters, it's a stealth UCAV, meaning it's designed to avoid detection by radar. This stealth capability is crucial for modern combat scenarios where the element of surprise can make all the difference. But that's not all. The Anka-3 is a highly versatile platform. It's engineered to carry out a variety of missions, from reconnaissance and surveillance to precision strikes. Whether it's gathering critical intel behind enemy lines or delivering pinpoint attacks on strategic targets, the Anka-3 has got it covered. One of the standout features of the Anka-3 is its advanced avionics and sensor systems. These systems allow for real-time data sharing and decision-making, giving commanders a significant edge on the battlefield. And let's not forget its impressive payload capacity, which enables it to carry an array of weapons and sensors tailored to the mission at hand. But what does this mean for the Turkish military? It means increased autonomy and operational flexibility. The delivery of the Anka-3 is a critical step in modernizing Turkey's drone capabilities, building on the success of earlier models in the Anka series. With the Anka-3, the Turkish Air Force is better equipped to handle the multifaceted challenges of modern warfare. In the broader context, the Anka-3 represents Turkey's growing prowess in the field of unmanned aerial systems. It's a testament to the nation's technological advancements and its commitment to self-reliance in defense. As countries around the world race to develop cutting-edge military technology, Turkey is clearly making its mark with the Anka-3. So, as we look to the future, it's clear that the Anka-3 is more than just a drone. It's a symbol of innovation, resilience, and strategic foresight. And for military enthusiasts like you and me, it's an exciting glimpse into the next generation of warfare. Thanks for tuning in, and stay sharp out there.